I have been learning English for a long time, since my childhood, but still I'm not able to speak publicly, to speak before the people, to speak even a single sentence, and I'm really getting confused that what to do. I have given a lot of the time, but none of use. I'm not getting anything. I'm getting confused that what to do, where to do, where to start, how to do, when to do. I'm really blank now. Guys, if this is you, then this video is for you and you are on the right video, because in this video we're gonna learn about one such incredible activity, which if someone will ask me what was the best strategy which you tried and it gave you ability to face the camera, to face the people, to speak before the camera, then I will tell the name of this strategy. This strategy will always be on the top of the strategies which used to be useful, right? So without wasting the time, let's break the ice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia Ansari and I am from UP. So today, before diving to the main topic, let me ask you here only, please like, share and subscribe so that I can get more encouragement and I can make more such videos that would be good for you. As I have learned, I want you to be learn as well. Right, so let the cat out of the bag. The name of this method is 4th R. Yes, you heard it right, 4th R. First R stands for repeat. Yes, guys, you heard it right. Repeat. Because English is not our native language, it's our second language. We can never learn anything in this world without repeating. It's not only about English, it's about any activity. The process starts from the repetition. For example, I'm learning cooking. I will repeat the master. I will follow the masters. Here also in English, if I want to learn, I have to repeat the masters. I have to repeat as we used to do in our childhood in schools. Teacher used to speak and we used to repeat. So repetition is the best in the beginning. We can't create our own English right in the beginning. We can't create our own sentences in the beginning. We have to repeat whatever is spoken by other people. We have to repeat all those words, all those sentences. For example, what you have to do here in this activity, in this repetition, you have to select one video that shouldn't be more than 5 minutes. More than it might be 3 minutes, 4 minutes, but not more than 5. Listen that video multiple times. Listen and repeat, listen and repeat, listen and repeat. Whatever a 3 minutes video, listen and repeat after him. Repeat after him. I'm not asking you to do shadowing practice. Listen one sentence and repeat. Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. This will make you able to copy the pronunciation, to speak the pronunciation, voice modulation, the speaking, the voice modulation, the speaking, and the intonation. Everything should be repeated in the same way as the speaker is speaking. That repetition will be like a activity, like a training to your mouth. Train your mouth by repeating. Getting my point? Train your mouth. Your mouth is a physical aspect and it needs to be physical activity. And that physical activity right in the beginning. You can't speak your own sentence right in the beginning. So repeat as much repetition as you can. First, repeat. 2 minutes video, 3 minutes video, 4 minutes video. Listen repeatedly and answer speak repeatedly, right? Then the next is to record. When you will be listening and you will be repeating, your you will become habitual of speaking that same thing. You have to repeat. I'm not asking to use your own word. Repeat. Then sit in front of the camera, try to record that 2 minutes. If you are able to record 2 minutes, then record 2 minutes. If you are able to repeat 1 minute, then 1 minute. If you are thinking that no, I'm not able to record 5 minutes, then listen only 1 minute video. Then record the same thing which you have practiced at the time of repetition, at the time of listening and repetition. Then the next step is to record the same thing. That was the rehearsal time. Now record yourself. The same thing which you have repeatedly practiced, record now same thing. Then next R stands for review. Listen your voice. Watch. Recording means recording video, not only audio. Then recording done, then the time is to review. Watch your video, listen carefully, observe it deeply. Where are you going wrong? Where are you making mistakes? What is the pronunciation? What is the facial expression? What is the voice modulation? Listen and observe each and everything. Then after you have reviewed, then rectify your mistakes. Rectify means when you will be listening your video, you will be observing lots of the mistakes. Then try to speak again by removing those mistakes. In the beginning, the very first day, it will be like a tiresome task. It would be like a hard nut to crack. But by the end of 7 days, have just goal using this activity only for 7 days. First day it will be difficult, second day it will be difficult, the third day it will be a little bit easier, the fourth day a bit more easier, the fifth day, and by the seventh day it will be a habitual thing. You will the possibility of uh, mistakes, those mistakes which were multiple mistakes, now the mistakes will be minimized and confidence will be maximized. Mistakes will be down and confidence will be up. What was in the beginning? In the beginning your mistakes were there and your confidence was here. Now the mistakes will get down and confidence will move up. 7, don't think that one day, second day, third day, 3 days it will be difficult, but after 3 days you will feel confidence. You will, when you will be observing that your mistakes are being less, you will be having more confidence, you will be having more fun, you will be having more enjoyment, you will be having happiness, you will feel more confident. And this activity, guys, I have been saying repeatedly here on my channel that recording is just a wonderful activity. If I'm able, 90% ability is given to me by this recording activity, beginning with repetition, ending with rectifying your mistake. Repeat, record, review and rectify. Repeat, record, review and rectify. Guys, it's such an incredible activity. For me, give me your 7 days with this activity. Give me your 7 days with this activity. I'll give you fluency. I'm not saying I won't tell a lie here. It will make you a fluent speaker. No. But by this end of the week, on 7th day, there will be beginning of your fluency. There will be beginning of your English. There will be beginning of having confidence. There will be a starting point. And if you have started something positively, then the growth is natural. So try this activity. It's just amazing. now I'm feeling cold today, so ignore it. Bear with me. This is just a wonderful activity. When you will be watching yourself, your recording will tell you about your mistake like a teacher. When we speak alone, we don't improve as much. As it's my self it's my personal experience. Why when I was speaking alone, speaking, I was not observing my mistake. When I started recording, I started observing my mistake, and that is where I started rectifying my mistakes, right? So this was all about this activity. And in next video I'll be making, if you have any suggestion you can give me. And I have also made a video, recorded a video. I have not When you will be watching this video, that video will be uploaded. If you want me to make videos on the patterns where I'll be telling you interrogative patterns, then please write here, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, and please like, share, and subscribe. I want you to share my video so that others can also get benefits, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.